Oh my god. That is really bad thunder. Wait. I'm gonna go outside. So I might be dead. Something's going on over there. Over like some. Oh shit. Oh. Last time, so I was. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it just got my eyes. Oh no. There might be another storm coming, and my internet and power are gonna they're gonna die. This happened like yesterday, and the power went out for like hours, for so long. Oh my gosh. Is it raining? Wait, I can't tell. Oh, it is. It's raining. Oh, it's starting to rain on. Oh no, the power's gonna go out. I already know it. Oh, I already know the power's gonna go out. It did this last time. Holy shit. Oh my. Yo! Oh. Okay, now I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. Oh, the water's getting all over my phone. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. No, because look, my window, it's broken. Don't ask how. I got mad, punched it a lot, and then it just broke. And this is what's holding up my window. And for some reason, the wind comes this way, and it pushes all the rain onto my crusty ass bed. So, and then when it gets more windier, it goes all the way to my floor, and then my room floods. It did this yesterday. Well, so at least it's finally raining here. Usually it never rains here. Oh shit!